Hello my dear friends, how are you all? Okay, so today we are going to learn the concept of rolling and sliding. Okay, so before we start, let's understand the concept that objects which have flat surface, they will always slide. Okay, now for example, I have this wax crayon box with me. Now it has a flat surface. Okay, so it will always slide. And the objects which has round, which has no surface, okay, which has no surface, its surface is round, they will always roll. Okay, for example, I have this pencil. No, now the pencil is round in shape. Okay, so it will always roll. Okay, so let's check which objects roll and which objects slide. Okay, now I have this pencil and let's check whether it rolls or it slides. Okay, so it rolls. I have this eraser which has flat surface, so it slides. I have this sharpener which has flat surface, it also slides. Now I have this glue stick, it has flat surface also and it has round shape also, so it will slide as well as roll. Okay, it rolls. Okay, now I have this tomato, it rolls. Okay, ball, it rolls down. Why? Because it doesn't have any surface. Crayon box, it slides because it has flat surface. Now we are going to see that whether the objects which has flat surface can be piled on each other. Okay, now I have this erasers with me which has flat surface. Let's see, can we pile up? So they can be piled up on each other. Okay, okay, now I have this coins with me. Now it has flat surface as well as it is round in shape. So if I keep this coin on this flat surface, it can hold on. Okay, but if I keep this like this, it will fall down. Okay, so objects which has round surface cannot be piled on each other. Okay, and these objects which has flat surface can be piled on each other. Fine. I have matchsticks which has flat surface, so I am keeping the matchsticks on each other. Okay, so see,